Hi, hello student, this is Mr. Wayne. So this video is for the answer of your holiday homework, term 2 holiday homework, and day 1. So let's see the first questions. It's negative integers operation, which is what we learned from term 1, to see whether we still remember. So every time when we see the negative integers operation, if we forget the rules, so we can use number line to help us. So we have number line which is 0, 1, 2, 3. The right hand side is positive, left hand side is negative. And then let's see the first question. We have negative 3. Negative should be here. Minus 2. Minus is go left. Okay, minus is go left. And plus is go right. So we know negative 3 here, so go to left. Even though we don't have the number line there, we still can imagine should be negative 4 and negative 5. So this is negative 5. Negative 3 minus 9. So negative 3 was here. Then move 9 to the other end. So we know the left we move, the bigger number it is. So it should be negative 12. And negative 2 minus 6. Negative 2 was here, and not 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That will be negative 8. So for for plus, negative 7 should be somewhere there. Negative 7 and negative 6, negative 5, negative 4. If we expand the number line, we have negative 7 plus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is negative 2. Negative 9 will be the same. We just need to apply that strategy. And 2 minus 10. A positive number take away a bigger number. So 2 is here, minus 10, minus go left. So we will have negative 8, negative 3, and negative 4. So we just need to apply this. For multiplication and division, we have the rules, which is 2 positive is still positive. 1 positive and 1 negative, we make negative. 1 negative and positive still negative. And negative make positive. So we just need to know these two numbers, are they have the same sign? If they have, then it's positive. If they are different, then negative. So we have negative 2 and 8. One is negative number, the other is positive. So they are different, so the answer is definitely negative. And then we just apply our times table to 8 times 8, 16. That's it. 1 positive, 1 negative, negative. 1 negative, 2 negative. Same sign, negative, negative make positive, so it's positive 35. Positive, negative division is the same as the multiplication. Still, it's negative 6. And then still negative 6 here, and negative divided by negative same side, so which make positive. So 42 divided by 6 is 7. So positive 7. And for P and Q, we have mixed operation, so we remember. Big math. So do we do bracket first and then indices, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So first of all we need to do multiplication. So the equation will become 5 minus 5 times 2, which is 10, plus 4. And the rest of them, subtraction and addition, they follow from left to right. Okay. So 5 minus 10 is negative 5. Negative 5 plus 4, the answer is negative 1. So negative 1 would be the answer. So for Q would be similar. We have division here, so we do division first. Negative 12 divided by 4, then we apply here. One negative number and one positive number, the answer, they are different, so the answer is negative. So it's negative 3. And then we have minus minus. Minus minus comes plus. So we minus 3 plus 5 plus 3. And then we start from left to right. Negative 3 plus 5 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 is the answer. So that's what we do in term 1. And algebra is substitution. First of all, what we do is we expand the algebra expression. 2x minus 3, 2x is mean 2 times the x. So now because the first one x is equal to 2, Therefore, y is equal to 2 times 2 minus 3. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 minus 3 is 1. Secondly, 2 times x now is negative 1. 2 times negative 1 and then minus 3. So 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. And then question B will be similar. C actually is equal to AB. AB is mean A times B. And then plus 2, we just copy it, we can change. And what you do is, you substitute A times B. A is 1 times B is 3 and then plus 2. So 1 times 3 is 3 plus 2 is 5. C, A is negative 1 times B is 2 times 2 plus 2. So negative 1 times 2, negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So the answer for second one would be 0. And question 3, indices, what we learned this term. 3 square is mean 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 2 to the power of 4 is mean 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2's times together. 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 is 8. Times another 2 is 16. So the answer is 16. Then 5 square. 5 square is mean 5 times 5, 25. So for square root is mean we need to convert the 16 into two number times together, and those two numbers has to be the same. So we know 4 times 4 is 16. So we can write it as 4 squared is 16, and as square and square root you can cancel them. So the answer is 4. So does the 36. 36 is equal to 6 to the power of 2. And then we cancel, we have 6. Cube root is similar, but now we need to use 3 number times together. So 8 we know is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 to the power of 3, and then cube root, and cube root and cube can be cancelled, so the answer is 2. And lastly, the operation. We still use the big math there. Okay, B, I, D, and A, S. So I is actually represent the indices. So now we have indices here, so we need to do indices first. So we have 10 minus 3 to the power of 2 is 9 times 2 plus 4. And now we can do the same as what we did before. We do multiplication, 10 minus 18 plus 4. So that you have the answer is 4. H will be similar. When we talk about the indices, the square root is also considered as part of the indices. So square of 16 we already know is 4, and then divide by 4 minus 5 plus 2 to the power of 3 is 8. And then we do division, 4 divided by 4 is 1 minus 5 plus 8. So the answer would be 4. Okay, the last question for day 1, which is exciting. See, we only spent less than 10 minutes to do 1 day's homework. And we can do revision, and next term we still can continue our work. So now the mean. Mean is mean average. Average is mean we add all of them together and divide by the amount of numbers. So which is 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4, and divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Divided by 7. So 10, 19, 22, 28. 28 divided by 7, the answer is 4. So the mean of this question is 4. Median. When we find median is the middle number. However, we need to rearrange them first in order. So which we have 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 number. Good. And then what I need to do is I count the middle number. 2, 6, 3, 4. Middle number, which is 4. Then median is 4. Mode. Mode is the most common number. which is 4. Range is maximum, take away minimum. Maximum is 6, minimum is 2, so 6 minus 2 is 4. So this is all for day 1 homework, holiday homework. So after you check your answer, you need to ask your parent to sign here and put your date. Okay, good luck.